Hi everyone, welcome back to You and I Can Cook. I tried making this banana bread recipe and it turned out soft, moist and super delicious. It is a very simple recipe and it takes hardly a few minutes to put everything together. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon too to get notified when I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. I am using 3 ripe bananas. Peel the bananas first. Mash them with a fork or a potato masher. I'm using 3/4 cup granulated sugar. To this I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. This is still a bit warm. I'm going to add the mashed bananas. Whisk the banana, melted butter, granulated sugar together until well combined. Whisk in 1 egg. Sift in the dry ingredients now. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Whisk a little to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add ½ cup of chopped walnuts and a ¼ cup of raisins. You can even add chocolate chips instead of raisins. I've greased a loaf pan with butter and dusted it with some flour. Now pour the batter into the pan. Smoothen the mixture on top. This goes into the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 75 minutes or until the skewer inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Cool the bread for about 20 minutes in the tin and then turn it out to cool completely on a cooling rack. Slice it and enjoy the moist and delicious banana bread.